Hey, it's Jason at Hangtown Affordable Auto Repair with our daily video. Today we're going to talk about tires because we've had a couple people spin out and crash in the snow, which normally we don't have snow, and one of them had completely bald tires. So I'm going to talk about different kinds of tires and what you want in the winter and what you don't. So this is a strictly snow tire. On our dually here you can see these sipes go through the tire. They open and close as the tire comes on the ground and grabs on snow and ice. So that's a strictly snow tire. This is an industrial tire that we had on here that's really not bald yet, even though it looks like it, because once they wear down to this area, it's just basically a flat, smooth surface that sucks for ice and snow as well. This is an all-terrain tire with a few sipes, which is good all around, summer, winter, all the time, ice, snow. Just not as good as the snow. And then you have a mud tire, which are not real good snow and ice tires. They're good for deep snow, four-wheeling, but for on road, not a good winter tire. So those are the differences and why you want different tires for different seasons.